Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start chapter 8 decimals. Words to know: the first word is decimal fraction, the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000 and so on. They are known as the decimal fraction. And second word, decimal point, a dot which separates the whole number part from the decimal part, that is called the decimal point. Suppose I write here 24.17. So this is called the decimal point or a dot, and this 24 is known as whole number part, and this 17 it is known as a decimal part. After the decimal we read the digits separately. We are not reading like a 17, we read like 17. So the whole number that we read like this 24.17. Now the concept map of decimals. Decimals can be converted into fractions. Decimals undergo in the operation addition and subtraction. Decimal has fractions with denominators of 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Decimals have two parts, whole part and a decimal part. Decimals may consist of 10th place, that is 10th part or 1 by 10 or 0.1. 100th place, 100th part or 1 by 100 or 0.01. 1000th place, 1000th part or 1 by 1000 or 0.001. As we already read this, decimal undergo in the operations of addition and subtractions, and decimals used in conversion of money, length, mass, capacity. In terms of money, it is 1 paisa equal to 0.01 rupee. In the terms of length, it is 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. In 1 meter equal to 0.001 kilometer. In case of mass, in terms of mass, it is 1 gram equal to 0.001 kilograms. In terms of capacity, it is 1 milliliter equal to 0.001 liter. So it is all about the decimals that we are going to read in this particular chapter, decimal. This is the concept map of the chapter decimal.